Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a new Adalo app and choose web or native platform options. Define your core purpose and primary features before building. Sketch 3 screens minimum: feed, profile, and post creation. Add 5 core components like lists, forms, buttons, images, and navigation. Plan authentication using Adalo users and set a one-to-many relationship for users to posts. Decide early how media uploads and push notifications will work in your app. Create collections named Users, Posts, Comments, and Media with clear fields. Include fields like username, bio, created at text, and image URL for posts. Establish a one-to-many relation from users to posts for ownership and permissions. Configure a many-to-one relation from comments to posts and from comments to users. Build workflows for create, read, update, and delete actions, plus conditional visibility rules. Test each workflow by creating sample records and design the interface using list components for feeds and forms for creation. Use buttons, modals, and image pickers to optimize mobile usability and accessibility. Test all flows on multiple devices and screen sizes in Adalo Preview to catch errors early. Enable user authentication, optional email verification, and password reset workflows for safety. Publish as a progressive web app or prepare native builds for App Store generation. Add analytics, error logging, and consider performance limits when scaling user.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.